Hey everyone, it is day 5 of our 31 days of Temp-tations. Can you believe it? Already into day 5, and we have a big deal this evening over on QVC too. So hopefully you can join us for an hour-long show with my buddy Mary DeAngelisand, which super excited. You know that's going to be must-see TV for sure. But I wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek on what's going to be coming up. Hello, Dia. Nice of you to join. Hello, Angie. If you guys are roaming around QVC2 as we speak, Lisa Lasorte is getting ready to go on there. Hey, Joy, how are you? We are over here at the studio getting super excited about kicking off our big deal. We have new in the show. We have a brand new item that we're going to show you and so much more as we continue day 5 of our 31 days of Temp-tations. Are you guys excited? I have to say, I'm feeling the love. Everyone's so excited. I've been loving reading all of the Facebook messages and Instagram. So fun. Already bought 2 of them, and you're going to kill me this month. Roselle, that is very cute. Hopefully you're putting them to good use, making great meals for your family and friends, or even just takeout would be a-okay with me. Hey, Susan, happy Monday to you. Hello, Terry. Hello, Betty. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Colleen. Hi, Karen. You guys are up. Karen from Puerto Rico. How are you doing? So glad you guys could jump in. Okay. So I promised a sneak peek of our big deal. Okay, here it comes. Full hour show with Miss Mary. I'm going to turn this around, give you a quick little look. Let me just keep saying hi, Annette. I love saying hi to all of you guys. Hi, Janet. Hi, Louise, Linda. All right, here we go. So here's the deal. I am so excited about this. I can't even stand it. Okay, this is our 2-quart. This is Holiday. So Holiday has that beautiful scene and then kind of like that festive fetty coloring painted all around it. So there is our beautiful 2-quart. Look at the depth on here. So we did an item like this a few years ago. You loved it. We did it in round. And your biggest request was, could you bring it back in square? Because we all know it's hip to cook in square, right? But we added, of course, our mini loaf pans, which we know so many of you are absolutely loving. We also included our little ramekins, 4 of them, which we know you're absolutely loving. And the part I truly love is that we gave you the steamer insert. So now, again, when you're microwaving and maybe you're steaming some vegetables, or of course you want to just put it right in the oven, you can do that as well. And the best part also, it comes with this beautiful BPA-free lid. So when you're steaming, when you're microwaving, everything can go right in there. We just ask them, do not put the plastic lid in the oven, but everything else oven safe. Put it in your air fryer. Put it in your toaster ovens. Put it in your oven up to 500 degrees, your microwave, your fridge, your freezer, of course, your dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean it. But can we just talk about how stinking cute this is? I'm obsessed with this set. Nest down. You can tuck everything, hide everything. Snap-on storage covers. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm so excited. Snap-on storage covers for the little guys. And of course, that amazing lid, which so many of you love, that you can now go ahead and put right in the microwave. Oh, colors, you asked? Oh, okay. We have a few. So your holiday patterns. This is one of the sets where we are introducing, or for the first time that you've seen it this season, our beautiful holiday. So from your festive to your festive fetty. Festive fetty is different than holiday, that it doesn't have the design in the center. Of course, we have your poinsettia. Heard you guys loud and clear. So many of you have been looking for that. Winter, and then of course, all of your classic colors. How fantastic is that? Have you been checking out all of our harvest? Have you been checking out all of the buffetti? Well, you can mix and match all of these colors back with it, which is so exciting. But the big story here is perfect for your holiday entertaining. You want some cute ideas? Speaking of cute, I just saw that my husband joined. So hello there, Mr. Tesher. Can we talk about this little worm dirt cake? It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Our food stylists are amazing. Little individual desserts. There's our cookies celebrating our 31 days of Temp-tations. Love that. And then how about little individual loaf breads, little individual pumpkin spice breads, all of those great things. Mini loaves included in the set, not just a separate purchase. Oh, there's some other stuff sneak peeking in the back that you're going to have to tune in and check out. But here's the big ask. You have been asking for smaller size pieces, smaller size sets, because maybe it's just the two of you. Maybe you just want to grab a smaller dish. This is, we call it the 9-piece petite bake set for that exact reason. All of these pieces go in the toaster. All of these pieces go in the microwave. All of these pieces go in your air fryer. It is hands down fantastic, and we are super excited to share it with you on QVC2. 9 p.m. this evening. Hello, everyone. Hello, Dee. Hello, Annette. Hello, Christopher, Linda. Hello, Joyce. It does everything. It's as if you're part of our design team. Aren't you incredible? So good to see everybody. A bunch of our home office has popped on. If you can't tell that we're excited about Temp-tations days here at QVC, as well as at our Temp-tations office and Tara at home, you're crazy, because we're going crazy. Oh, did you want to see one other new item? Ha ha ha. Turning it around again because I can't help it. Okay, there we go. Look at this. In our summer seasonals. So we had hoped to get this on earlier in the season, but we just didn't have a chance with all the different products we were showing. 3-quart oval, elongated, deep baker with just under a 1-quart bowl. Both come with snap-on storage covers in the basket weave. So those of you who have been asking for basket weave, there's your summer. There's your ocean fetty. Oh, and buckle up. There we have your ocean fetty. And we have your firework fetty. Isn't that gorgeous? Quick peek on that picture is still available as well. So that's a very exciting item that you guys have not seen yet. So again, hopefully you'll join us. Hello to almost 500 people jumping on saying hi. So good to see all of you. Tune in with us at 9 p.m. this evening. Lisa Lasort's here. Bryn Edwards is here. All of our food stylists, which are amazing. I mean, these products wouldn't be half as beautiful if it wasn't for all the amazing food that they put in here. And they have been literally here around the clock, making it as special for you as possible. So join us at 9 p.m. on QVC2, and we will see all of you then. Bye, everybody.